My name is Manoj Kumar and this is the class of 11th A. Now today we are here with the two teams for the debate competition. My right hand side is the team Aryan and my this side the team is Atul Singh. So there is a competition between Atul team and the Aryan team and the topic of the debate is city life versus village life. So they are in the favor of city life and this team is in the favor of village life. So let's begin the debate.
Morning all of you. First of all, respected teacher, honorable judges and all my fellow classmates. Everyone knows health is wealth. Yes or not? Then in village life, we all see that the natural vegetation are conserved and we see that many of villages have farming such as organic farming which is making our health good, but due to industrialization and to make many money, some villages uses inorganic farming. And
A very good morning to esteemed judge or honorable sir. I am Sagar Oja, feel honored to have the opportunity to speak for the motion, the city life. As we know that the city life is much better than the village life because there are so many reasons. The first reason is transport system. The city generally have well-structured transport system that connect or virtually the areas of urban centers. And and the main mode of the transport include air, road, and rail. People may use personal vehicles or taxis on a road for transportation.
As we said about the population in the city life, I want to oppose the motion because the high population in the cities also have some more demerits because the high population wants more space to live, and accordingly if we compare both this life and city life and village life, there are very much excess cutting of trees and greenery in city life that cause the high pollution, and pollution is a major cause, as you all know how pollution is increasing in the city life because of the city life. As he also told us about the transportation system,
and my earlier friends. As my opponent said about pollution, there is very high pollution in cities, but there is also pollution in villages because of their modern farming methods. Not each and every village is performing organic farming. Even there are many villages these days are just performing modern farming methods, which includes fertilizers and different kinds of pesticides, which pollute the soil. And this is the main thing. Not everything pollutes air, but that pollutes soil. So not there is pollution only in cities, but there are pollution in villages too. And about the transportation.
And my classmates. As we know that in cities, population is very high. It might be true that people want to migrate in cities, but because of high living cost, they are not able to survive there because all of them are not have large income. And the other thing is that cities are known for their traffic. It might be true that they have good transport system, but the traffic is too much. And cities are the key contributor to climate change. Cities are the major reason for the greenhouse gases emission. Estimate states that 70% of pollution came from urban areas. It's true, some pollution came from rural areas, but most of the population.
As my opponent said, that people are migrating to cities. They are migrating to cities because there are many opportunities in cities than villages. As we know that cities are epicenter of economical activities and plays a major role in our GDP also. Because they are major businesses in cities. That this is the reason why people migrate to cities. Thank you.
Respected teachers, former judges, and students. As my opponent said that cities have more cameras than villages. why we need cameras in the cities? Because there are higher crime rates in the cities, urban areas than the villages. As we know that in Delhi or Kolkata, there are far more crime rates nowadays as we speak. There are Kolkata crime case as we see in the news, and most of the developing countries need primary activities, which was emerged from the villages. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Honorable judges and my dear friends. There are many factors on which the villages lags behind the cities. One of the factors is economic development. Cities are the hub of economic activities and offers a variety of job opportunities across various sectors such as educational sector, health sector, financial sector, and technological sector. There is a scope of career growth. While on the other hand, in villages lacks villages lacks diverse job opportunities and there are limited career growth options. Due to this reason, a large population of rural areas moves to the urban areas. As per the data,
Honorable judges, as we know that the people of village have a bond of love and a sense of collectiveness in each other, and the people of village trust on each other, and they live like a family. A whole village is live like a family, and they can solve their problem together. And the people of and thus there is a point on animals also. The people of village also provide shelter to many animals.
Dear sir and honorable judges and my dear friends,